Hello everyone, Viking Piper here, and today I'm pretty excited because I have a very nice unboxing to do. I haven't done one of these in a minute, but I got 3 packages here and we're going to go ahead and open them up together. Let's do we'll do this one first. I've been waiting on this particular package for a couple months now. I don't know if you guys know, I'm pretty sure most of you know of Heritage Pipe Shop. And look what I got. I saw these on their site and I couldn't help myself. So yeah, I got this a couple months ago and just now got it. So I'm very excited. I really like their Ohio Heritage Pipe Shop sticker there. Hopefully there's some inside. Being from Ohio, I like that. All right, I got some pink packaging peanuts. Exactly what I ordered. Oh, that's cool. Sent me a nice little mint. Oh, sent me 2 mints. That's nice. It's a nice little thank you card there. Oh man. So this is cool. I love the packaging. I just don't want to open it now. That's really neat. They take the time to really make it count. I like that a lot. And it's a beautiful box there. But you guys don't want to see the box. You want to see what's inside the box. Oh, that's cool. Look at a little bit of matches here. Ooh, look at that. A nice magnet. That'll go on my fridge. All right. Look at this pipe. 250 years, America. So I got this for my 4th of July video. And when I saw it, I was taken aback. I really liked this. I liked the color. I liked the style. What a nice pipe. Now, generally, I like rusticated bowls. But when I saw them, something about just the smooth grain really got me. And I went for this style. And this is number 9 out of 76. They only did a small batch of them. Now it says H. Warwick, Poland, handmade. And I can't really see. Probably like that. I love the stem. I love the style. It's pretty good in my hand. But I will be doing a full review on this for July 4th. So cat's out of the bag, I guess, on my 4th of July pipe. I do have another one, a meerschaum, that's really cool. I might do that one as well. But I just couldn't help myself. All right. The next one comes from Smoky Vale Pipe Tobacco. This one I am very excited for. And again, a huge shout out to High Plains Piper, who bought my cart for me. I had mentioned on another video how, you know, it's the beginning of the month, I got bills and I've got all this stuff first. Before I spend money on myself, I make sure my family's taken care of. And he respects that, which I think a lot of people do. So, High Plains Piper, thank you so much. There, it wasn't exactly my whole cart because there were a couple more things. I'm like, well, I guess I could. It wasn't too much more. Because again, I had to make sure I'm good. But you helped make it possible, so I appreciate it. You didn't have to do it, and just thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Let me go this way. Always good packaging, Smoky. A couple inserts there for Forgotten Gods Meadery, which, if you would like to go to Forgotten Gods Meadery, if you like mead or want to try mead, go to ForgottenGodsMeadery.com, enter in my code, Viking Piper, for 10% off of your purchase and shipping. But the minimum requirements is to buy 2 bottles. All right, Smokey threw in a couple goodies for me too that he wanted me to try. CC's Indulgence. Now this is part of his blend at home kits. So I think this is one of the new ones coming out, which I am going to definitely try that. So that'll be good. I got a couple more, I have plentiful videos coming up. Oh yeah. That is a lot thinner and smaller than I thought it was going to be. But I did get a mini Meerschaum lion, which is really cool. Yeah, I do have another lion. It's like this big. But this is really nice. Really cool. And again, I'll be going over all these pipes more in depth in later videos when I do the actual reviews. Never had my pipe cleaners wrapped before. That is fancy. Thanks, Smokey. And it's a good thing I got these two because I used my last one like last night. Good timing. Oh, my desk is going to need to be cleaned up after this. All right. So I don't know why. I just wanted to try this one here. Stovepipe by Cornell and Deal. Really cool. Can't wait to try that one. Oh my God. Smoky Vale has upgraded his packaging. He just goes all out. Ooh. And he has so many amazing pipes on his site right now, guys. So if you want, please go to SmokyValePipeTobacco.com. You can use my code, Viking, and you can get 10% off of your purchase. Highly recommend it. He's got amazing stuff right now and very affordable prices. These are the Molina pipes. I always say Melania. I don't know why. I just do. Molina. It's a Molina pipe. Beautiful bags. Ooh, yeah. Look at this one. A beautiful sitter. Look at that. uh, but wait, there's more. One more. Mm. Boy, oh boy. I do like my Rhodesian style pipes. I love that square diamond shaped shank. And it's a nice Rhodesian pipe, but it's like a Rhodesian pipe and a bulldog got together and made this. I mean, it's just beautiful. So I can't wait to do a review on that one. And I've got one more coming up, but again, this was all thanks to the High Plains Piper. Thank you. I wouldn't have been able to get this if it wasn't for you, so I appreciate it very, very much. Here we go, the last one. This one from Blue Cord Custom Woodworks, Greg. And if you guys have not checked out his channel, please do. It is just Blue Cord Custom Woodworks. And he's been making some pipes. He's got beautiful pipes. He was doing some giveaways, things like that. Huh. There's a note here. Viking Piper, your beard is so luscious and smooth. I want to set it atop my bald head, for I have no hair and am cold. I'm kidding. Because he joked around with me last time when I sent him his pipe that he won and that tamper from my last giveaway. Remember that? Yeah. Kidding, there's no note that says that. We are not in a bromance yet. So the first thing he sent me, and this is unexpected, the Sweetbriar Fine Tobacco, and it just says Viking. So I will be very excited to try this. It's a definite Cavendish, so I definitely like that. And I've been just anticipating this too. Very excited for this pipe. He has been showing it on his channel. I'm like, He's been emailing me. I'm putting two and two together, but I don't want to be, is it mine? Kind of figured. So I've been like almost watering at the mouth, waiting for this to get here. Just watching him make it is something amazing. And he does have those on his YouTube channel as well. So please go check him out. Blue Cord Custom Woodworks. The weight of this. Holy crap. Oh, you guys probably want to see it. Man, I don't know if I can lift it up. I don't have the strength to wield Thor's hammer. Look at this. I am awe-stricken right now. Look at that. There's his mark. So the cool thing I like about this, not just the textures and stuff, but on the edges here, look at how it's beveled and marked. It's almost like it's an actual hammer that was used. I can use it like a hammer. You know what I mean? And it's got it on this side too. Wow. That is a two-knuckler. Thumbs up, Greg. It fits my thumb. I don't think I have a pipe that, well, maybe my Hercules does. But wow, to fit my thumb is impressive. And then on the shank here, right, he's got my name in runes. That is awesome. You guys don't know my name, and that's okay. It's a secret. If you win a gall, you'll know my name. But I kind of like to keep it private otherwise. But I just love this pipe. The shape of it is just, I feel strong. I cannot wait to review this. I think this will be my next review. Huh. Mjölnir. He's got right there. Okay, I gotta stop just awing over this thing. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I love it. And just the details in this. I mean, that took some time. And the stem, a beautiful acrylic with that coffee brown. He knows I like big pipes. This is perfect. And it feels really nice in the hand too. Right here, I can grip it really, really well. Very nice. This is going with me on my fishing trip. So I cannot wait to show this thing off to all my friends. That's why I saved this for last. Oh, man. Okay. Well, wasn't planning on it being this long of a video, but I tell you what, I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I finally opened up everything. I got this in yesterday, I think. Yesterday or the day before. And I was just ecstatic. I wanted to hold off because I wanted to do a video. But, oh, and my shirt says Girl Dad. That's confusing to some people. But, yeah, if you guys like it, you can go to Grunt Style. I know there's a lot of girl dads here. It's Girl Dad. Her first line of defense. Pretty sure, Greg, you would love this shirt. But anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead, sign off. Again, don't miss my giveaway video. I'm giving away the Briar Bell tamper. And that's going to end on May 31st, which is Sunday and the last day of May. All you have to do is in the comments of the giveaway video, not this video, the giveaway video. Write in the comments, tamper. That's all you got to do, and then you're entered. But anyways, guys, I'm going to sign off. I just want to say thank you, especially to High Plains Piper and Blue Cord Custom Woodworks. I appreciate it, my friends, very much. You guys are amazing, and the community of the pipe smoking world, the YTPC, is amazing. There's nothing else like it. It truly is a brotherhood of kindness, relaxation, and just overall good. So, again, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and commenting. Thank you for subscribing and being kind. May your smoke be thick, your mead be sweet. And as always, happy smoking.